hit a dead end every time we're swimming. You make sure we're sinking in the deep end. Why do I dive in every time we're sinking down, down, down in the deep end? Try